Yo, Prof here, and today we're obviously at work. Still haven't gotten my desktop at home necessarily set up, so where do we test new mice? When you're working. So here we have the new Viper V2 Pro, not the Ultimate. They nixed the Ultimate this time around, and we're going to crack this open here real quick. Like, ooh, look at my pretty wallpaper though. I like those landscape style ones from anime. Tuck Jr. Got like this camo one. It's getting worn because it sits on my keys. Not nearly as bad as I had in the original Tuck Jr. That was anodized or something instead of, that might be Cerakote. But that one like turned silver. Maybe it was just a different place doing it. Whew, look at that guy. So I had to get the white one because, as you know, I prefer the white mice. Squeers also ordered the white one himself. He can do that, guys. He's a big boy. So we're gonna punt the old reliable SteelSeries Rival 3 off the work desk pad. No, I still haven't repaired the nice desk pad there. And we're gonna put this guy on there. I just thought the Viper was a decent shape. It's a little low for my grip, but there's some clicks for you. Back and forward buttons are only on one side, and I feel like because of that they did make them protrude more. I don't have the original, or I have an 8K at home and an Ultimate. I don't have them here at the office, obviously. This is just kind of like a quick initial look because I want to start using this thing to get a feel of the shape. So if there's anything specific that you guys want to know, maybe when I grab the squeers and we start doing a comparison to like the 8K or the Ultimate, let me know. Ooh, that's kind of cool. They give you white accessories. So you get a white dock adapter thing. Goes from Type C to Type A. We're going to unplug that and plug it right in there. There we go. Oh, nothing down there. Must all be in the box. Yeah, oh, nice white braided A to C cable. Pretty darn flexible. Nice and soft. I'm sure Synapse is going to need an update. I'm not going to restart the computer, guys, for a mouse. I'm doing some work if you can't tell. Just wanted to pop this out when I had a second so I can get it running. So I think the new one looks really nice and white. I'm glad more mice are going the white route. Heck, you can go other colors too. SteelSeries is doing that. Logitech's now got the pink one. You know, I mean, if you're gonna do a second color that's safe, white's pretty safe. I mean, back in the day, they always used to have a white one and a black one. So, but then when RGB happened, you know, yeah, I really don't use these because I just plug it in. Or I have a hub on my desk for it. The nice thing that did happen when they did ditch the dock. I wish they didn't do that, but they did that for the weight. This thing's super duper light. 59 grams according to the box. There's some of the branding. There's some of the teams that use it. Apparently it does come with grips. I do like grips, not on the sides personally, but on this area. However, these are already textured here, so kind of could care less. Optical switches. I'm actually not a huge fan of the optical ones, personally. I know they should be quicker and more reliable, but I don't know, just never been a huge fan of them. The other thing you lost, like this is Type C, so that's nice. Instead of the micro B, it looks like it should fit just about any cable in there. You lost the dock, and there's no place to store the dongle, which is annoying. So just something to keep in mind. Alright guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed the quick look at the new Razer Viper V2 Pro right here in white. It's got a good feel, like a lot of all the plastics on anything within the past 5 years from Razer has been good. Very, very light. 30K optical sensor, overkill. Feeling good. So I'll give this a run for this week at work, and throw some comments down below or on Twitter at TheProfosist. If you guys want to see some specific stuff when I come back around and do a follow-up comparing to the older models, and hopefully we get Squares involved since he's got one of these as well. You guys have a good one. Peace.